Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm sharing DIY homemade coffee and banana mask for brightened skin, anti-aging and healthy skin. So without delay, let's begin. For this mask, I'm using 4 ingredients: coffee, banana, honey and lemon juice. So coffee, I'm taking 2 spoons. Coffee has a gyrogenic acid, antioxidants and vitamin B3 properties. Coffee helps to brighten skin, anti-aging benefits, calming effects like if you got sensitive skin, reduce inflammation, acne treatment, vitamin B3 for skin cancer, reduce dark circles, repair skin after sunburn. Then I'm going to add 1 spoon of pure natural honey. Honey has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Honey deeply moisturizing and hydrates the skin. It has an effective pore cleanser and gentle exfoliator. Honey also lights scars and hyperpigmentation. It fights acne and breakouts. Honey properties reduce the bacteria that causes pimples, blackheads and whiteheads. They also help to treat the redness and inflammation. So guys, you can use any kind of honey, thick or thin pure honey. Then add half ripe banana. Banana is rich and powerful antioxidants, vitamin A, phytochemicals and moisturizing properties. Banana helps in controlling excess oils and sebum. Vitamin A in banana smooths and even out the skin. It helps to restore the moisturizing in your skin and hydrate the skin cells. It also produces collagen, which can make your skin firm. Then add half spoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in acid, vitamin C. It has excellent skin lighting properties, effective to reduce age spots and dark spots, help to get rid of acne. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, helps to boost collagen production that makes the skin looks younger. Lemon juice has antifungal properties that help to treat fungal infection and help to skin lighting. When you put all in one, then mix it up, then make smooth paste or thick mask. Do not add any water, otherwise it will be thin and hard to apply. It could be messy. And make sure there are no chunks of banana pieces. Now it's ready to apply. Take any kind of application brush. If you not got any brush, you can apply from finger as well. And tie your hair and wear any kind of old clothes because coffee stain might be not go. And apply mask all over the face and neck. First layer, let it dry first little bit, then you can apply second layer and leave 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'm using beauty treatment gloves and using bedroll tissue and cover in the neck to protect my clothes. If any fallout mask, you can use towel as well. For cleaning, I'm using a small towel and warm water and gently scrub and massage to take out dry skin, old makeup and going to clean deeply my skin. Same process you can do in the bathroom or in the sink. After cleaning, you can see my skin how light and glowing, feel very fresh and tightened skin. So guys, coffee is very beneficial for skin. If you got any acne or other skin condition, you can use this coffee and banana mask. So guys, very quickly effective, help to healing, giving you glowing, lighting and anti-aging benefits. After that, I applied almond oil in tapping way. I use oil because I have got dry skin. You can use your normal moisturizing cream or lotion and give your skin rest at least few hours before you apply any makeup. So guys, I hope you love watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll bring more exciting videos. Till then, everyone take care. Bye bye.